Here I will show you how to turn off or turn on keyboard sounds in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Go to your settings. In settings, tap on sounds and vibration. Here, tap on system sound. And under system sound, here you will find this Samsung keyboard option. To enable keyboard sound, you have to enable this option. And now, here we can see my keyboard sound. And to disable your keyboard sound, just toggle this switch off for Samsung keyboard. And as you can see, my keyboard sound has been successfully turned off. Thanks for watching.